All right, so I am here at I'm here at 693 Pontiac, and here is the cast galvanized pipe coming in from the other side, and then it runs to this valve and then runs in copper the rest of the way, 3/4 to half inch pipe. Then half-inch copper pipes running the rest of the way over to here, where we do another transition, and it's probably about 10 foot, maybe a little more. And so then transition from copper back to galvanized pipe. Then we're gonna go over this. And we've got galvanized to a 3A supply line for the fridge, I think. This could be, no, that's the water. Sorry, it's water. That's the sink. And then another galvanized over to here. And then this is all galvanized here. Jeez. So this is all galvanized. And then galvanized over to here, which then has a conversion, but it looks like they did the right kind of unions and they're protected. So I'm hoping, and then this is galvanized that feeds, this feeds a spigot on the outside, it's PEX, and this feeds the bathroom over on the side there. So I'm kind of hoping, and then this is copper to gal with a fitting, and this is the sink on the underside here. So kind of hoping we can just fix the transition over there, over the water where they've got that union. So that's that piece of pipe that was bleeding through on the other water heater. And hopefully I'm not having any problems with this one right now, so I guess we'll just leave it for now and see what happens. This looks like it's going to be a problem soon rather than later. But maybe not. Sorry, there it is. So that's going to PEX, no problem there. Just this copper supply line here is copper. What is this one feeding? So there's a cold, dishwasher, maybe? Yeah, so one for the dishwasher and then one in copper for the supply of the sink and then the hot supply of the sink.